Hey, it's Greg Fritz from Celette Tips and Tricks. How you doing today, folks? We're down here with John Melendez at his new operation, JDM Calibration Center. Let's go inside and take a look and see what we got.
Come on, Greg, let's hit it. Come on.
Thank you, John.
Yeah, man.
Alrighty. Well, the first thing I see is a Nausea 3D electronic measuring system underneath the 2-post lift. Oops, sorry about that, John. So that's sold by Solidus, our partner, based out of St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you, Solidus. Very nice job with the installation. Actually, they've installed the whole thing here. John, what do we got here? You want to take the lead and show me around here?
Absolutely. One of the most unique pieces of equipment that I was intrigued with is the X-Track. Being able to have small, quick pulls, but of course still properly anchoring the car. I think that's so important. We've already did a couple trial runs on this and very impressed. Okay, so as far as the equipment on this end, I feel that this is probably going to be a very, very wise investment to make it easier for the guys when we have issues that we want to get taken care of quickly. But then we got a big boy here. This guy, this is the one I've been treated. I really can't wait to start working on this, getting trained, which I think is so important to the industry. And I'm looking forward to that, Greg, with yourself and Celette, because I'll tell you, this here with this type of equipment, our limitations are just on top. And it just is such a great feeling knowing that I'm working with the best equipment in the industry.
Wow, that's great. Thank you, John. I'm looking forward to that as well. And I'm sure our partner Solidus is going to be involved in this training as well.
Absolutely.
But look at this. They've done a nice job putting this bench in here. We've got it all ready for us. We got the wheel stands. We got our puller over here. We got our control station up here. Along with our MZ base towers, the Chameleons, MZ base towers, MZ Plus, and we have Chameleon truck. Now, John, can you open this box? I'd like to see what's in this box.
You got it.
Some people aren't familiar with the fact that we have Chameleon truck. So all we have some is attachments in here, and we have some more attachments in here, and then we have some big stands with the jaws. Ooh, look at that. Look at these jaws, folks. Now that'll bite right into that frame. Ooh, yes. That'll grab it really well. See that?
Yep, haven't even had a chance to make them dirty yet.
Yeah, well, we're going to do that pretty soon. Just need a truck. We need a victim. Okay. So, yes. So, John, you got a large investment in this building here, don't you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what, though? With this type of investment, this direction that we're taking is going to couple with the manufacturer certifications of which we're trying to acquire here at this point in time. And with that, with the homework that I've done over the years, Celette is respected and one of the most advanced racks that there is in our industry, and that's the reason why I chose this point. Couple that with Solidus and of course with yourself, we are going to be able to manufacture certifications that we want to acquire. And you know, we've got a few already, not to mention any, but of course, you know, once we have this center complete, then we're going to invite over, you know, the manufacturers themselves. We've got a couple others that have already committed. They're going to stop on down here. We're going to make sure that, you know, hey, put their hands on this equipment, showing that, you know, the shop audits, we're willing to do that. And I'll tell you, it's an exciting time here in the south side of Chicago.
That's great. That's great. I'm glad to be involved. This will be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it, the long-term future here. So
You got it, Greg.
That's awesome. All right, folks. Well, we're going to let you go for right now. But you know, if you like these videos, don't forget, what's the key? Like and subscribe to the channel. Greg Fritz signing out. Have a good day.
Take care.
Thank you, John.